So welcome back friends, my name is Shubham and you're watching The Wrestling Battle. Friends, few weeks ago SummerSlam happened. It was an absolutely good show, but whatever happened in the last moment of SummerSlam, it was absolutely shocking. We never expect something like this. No, Roman Reigns returned out of nowhere and he attacked on both Fiend Bray Wyatt and Braun Strowman. First he delivered spear on Bray Wyatt Fiend, and then he attacked on Braun Strowman very brutally. He attacks from steel chair on Braun Strowman and then on Fiend. After this attack, he raised the Universal title and said, "This is his yard, this is his kingdom. He is going to dominate on WWE, etc., etc." And after this SummerSlam show, whatever happened on next SmackDown show, it was truly a double disaster, a double shocking thing. Whatever we saw on that SmackDown, we can't assume like that. For a second, we can assume that Roman Reigns can become a heel superstar. It was no doubt. It can happen. It can possible. But we never expected like that. But that happened on that day. Roman Reigns joined Paul Heyman company. It was truly shocking thing. But this happened on that day. This is WWE and anything can happen here. Paul Heyman has a new client which is Roman Reigns, and Roman Reigns has a new manager which is Paul Heyman. So friends, Roman Reigns has become Paul Heyman guy. He has become a heel superstar. But friends, who was the mastermind of behind this? Who actually thought that Roman Reigns should change his character and he should be like a heel superstar? Friends, it has been revealed. So friends, I'm going to tell you about these concepts, that who was behind of this idea, who was actually thought these things. So friends, watch this video till the end. Friends, Ringside News reported that Vince McMahon and Roman Reigns were in constant contact. This situation saw the big dog maker return in a very surprising fashion, or in a very surprising manner, as only a very select few knew it was happening. The Wrestling Observer newsletter noted that it's unknown who made the call to place Paul Heyman with Roman Reigns. We do know that Roman Reigns himself asked for a heel turn upon his return from this hiatus. Roman Reigns will now be permitted to get the boost that fans have wanted to give him for a long time. Thanks to the Thunderdome, WWE can also make sure that fans react to Roman Reigns in a desired fashion. So friends, as you saw, as you heard, that Roman Reigns is the mastermind of his character that he is playing right now. It was Roman Reigns' idea to change his own character and become a heel superstar. Friends, he wanted to take the advantage of people's reaction. People do not liking, the audience are not appreciating Roman Reigns, they are booing him. So Roman Reigns decided that take this reaction advantage. He changed himself in a heel superstar, and booing himself is absolutely common for heel superstar. So this was a mastermind idea of Roman Reigns, and thanks to the WWE that they allow Roman Reigns to become a heel superstar. Now Roman Reigns absolutely dominating on SmackDown. He is playing absolutely a different role, and it's looking very entertaining and absolutely very good. So I want to see this character for a long time. And it was also reported that it was also rumor that Roman Reigns is holding the Universal title for a long time. So I am very excited for Roman Reigns. I am very excited for SmackDown. I am looking toward for Roman Reigns, that how he's gonna play his character in future with Paul Heyman. So I'm very excited for this. So this is all about from this video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video more and more, because this is absolutely secret that I revealed here. So friends, I hope you like this video. We will meet in the next video. This is all about from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.